Fire in the hole, let's cook a bison burger.
Bison Burgers again?
Bunny, we don't have bison burgers that often. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome once again to my backyard. What I got going on for you today, like the bunny said, we've got some. This is ground bison. Maverick Ranch, 90% lean, 10% fat, ground bison raised without antibiotics or growth hormones, never fed animal byproducts. 12 ounces of bison is enough to make two nice sized burgers, two smash burgers. So I'm going to get that in my bowl, get that going in there. Then I've got some garlic, about a teaspoon of minced garlic going in there. Then we're going to mix that up in there with that bison meat. Got a little bit of the Root Boy Rub #1 that I developed for beef and bison. It's a good rub. If you don't have any of that, you can use salt, pepper, and garlic. And I've also got some garlic in there on top of that rub. Mix that all up. Get it where you can see it. Yep. And we're going to put in some blue cheese crumbles right into that meat. Going to mix in some blue cheese crumbles right into the meat. And we'll be putting some on the burger too. So let's get that all mixed up. And we're almost done making the burgers, but we got to, one last thing I'm going to do. Now I'm calling this BBQ Bleu Buffalo Burgers because I'm putting some of this on there. This is Frank's Red Hot Buffalo Wing Sauce. So I'm going to mix some of this right in with the bison. I'm going to just mix that up. We're going to put some of that on top of the burger too, but we're going to mix that right into the burger like that. That red hot buffalo sauce, that's good stuff. That Frank's wing sauce is probably one of the better wing sauces out there. You know, it may not be the best, may not be your favorite, but it's a good wing sauce. And now we've got it in there with the bison meat. And we're going to take the bison meat and make it into a couple of not softball, but baseball sized balls, because we're going to be making smash burgers with this. So let me make a couple of balls of meat right here. Like I said, about a baseball sized burger like that. Let me get some bacon cooking on the griddle, and then I'll tell you over there, and we'll make these smash burgers, so stay tuned. So I'm going to throw down on my ballistic griddle with some Sang stir fry oil, which is a good high temperature oil. That bacon fat didn't do near enough oiling of the grill, if you know what I mean. So now let me get my spatula and my rolling pin over here, and we'll get this. I got a piece of slice of red onion that I'm going to grill up here, and another piece right here. That piece kind of ran away. That's okay. No big thing. We'll just get them back on there, right? So we got some red onion grilling up. Now I'm going to take my bison burgers, put one on top of there, and one on top of there. Get my parchment paper, stick it on top of there, and smash it down with my rolling pin. Not too shabby. Need to move him over a little bit, I think. Make room for the other one. Whoops, forgot the parchment paper. Gotta have parchment paper, your thing will stick to it. Don't want your thing to stick to it. Okay, let's mush him down. There you go. Now I got two awesome patties. They got blue cheese and Frank's Red Hot sauce right in the patty. We're going to cook them up, get them cooked up. Smash burgers, baby. Nothing better. A double patty. Cook them up a bit, maybe a little bit more Sangs to make them sizzle. There you go. Now you're talking. Give them a flip. All right, got the onion right in it. Okay, there you go. All we got to do now is get them cooked up and put this burger together, so stay tuned. I got a nice onion roll, lightly toasted. I'm going to put some of this garlic aioli mayonnaise on there. Spread that out a little bit on the bottom of that. Don't that look good? Then we've got some butter lettuce that we're going to throw down with some butter lettuce. About just enough to make the Vegematics happy. That much butter lettuce. And I've got a couple of slices of tomato. Probably get away with just one. One slice of tomato. Then we need a burger. Where's my spatula? Here it is. Get my spatula here. I've got a burger with the blue cheese already in it and the Frank's Red Hot, but that's not enough. We got to put more. So we're going to put a burger on there. It's got that caramelized onion on there. Let's put a little bit more of that Frank's Red Hot on there. Just a drop. Maybe some more of that blue cheese. What do you think? How's that starting to look good? Let's get some blue cheese on there. And should we make it a double patty? Why not? Why not go for it? Double patty bison burger. There you go. A little bit of more Frank's Red Hot sauce. And some more of that blue cheese on top. Now you're talking. And what's better than bacon? A couple of slices of bacon on there. That's what I call a bison burger. A bison blue cheese. I'm going to hold that up for you. 1 second. You get the cap on that, cover on that. Oh man. That deserves a photo shoot all for itself. Let me get that in the frame where I want it. There you go. That is a bison burger, double bison burger, blue cheese, buffalo sauce, bacon, bison burger. You know what? Let me get a beer and we'll take a taste of this awesome looking sandwich. I got a very special beer for today, so stay tuned. Ladies and gentlemen, the Frosty Root Boy mug, star of the show, and here's today's beer. I got to tell you all about this beer right now. I got to get it in the frame because you got to get a good look at this. This is Lawson's Finest Liquids Sip of Sunshine IPA. This is a very special beer, and I wouldn't have got hold of this beer except that I saw on Reddit that they were selling this at a deli in New York. So I sent my cousin Marie an email, my beautiful cousin Marie, who must love me because she ran into New York City and got me 2 cans of Lawson's Finest Liquids Sip of Sunshine IPA. This IPA is like legendary. It's one of the top-rated beers in America today. Lawson's Sip of Sunshine IPA, and it's right up there with Pliny the Elder and Hop Slam. Sip of Sunshine India Pale Ale. There's a whole thing on here about it. Lawson's Finest Liquids, a lupulin-laden India Pale Ale packed with juicy tropical fruit character. Let's find out. There's only one way to find out. Marie, thank you so much. My favorite cousin, Marie. Thank you. Let's take a sniff of that. Oh man, it's got the beautiful hop-forward smell and the smell of tropical fruit. I can't wait to quaff the froth off of that. Let's quaff it. Wow. Whoa. That is... I got to do something here with this lighting. You got to get a good look at this can. Lawson's Finest Liquids Sip of Sunshine IPA. This stuff rocks. Marie, thank you so much. I can't thank you enough. This beer is excellent. That's one of the finest beers I've ever had. Not kidding. Thank you for sending me that. Let me get this monster burger in my mouth somehow, if I can, and get a taste of that. I know it's going to be good. I just got to figure out how I'm going to bite it. I guess there ain't nothing to do but pick it up and bite it, right? Nothing for it. Mmm. Oh yeah. That's a sloppy mess. But I'll tell you what. It's one awesome burger. That red hot sauce and blue cheese and that bison, everything's working together to make the perfect burger. And this beer is awesome. I can't get enough of this. Wow. That's great. Hey babies, that's my video for today. Before I devour this burger, I want to say thank you to my cousin Marie for this awesome, awesome beer. Thank you again, Marie. I love it. You're the best. You're my favorite, Marie. My favorite cousin. I'm not just saying that. Okay, you know what I always say? If you like this crap, please subscribe. If you don't, go up and see Kelvin's Kitchen. Kelvin is a great guy. He's cooking up some great food. Go check him out. Oh, excuse me. That's awesome. That burger's off the hook. Woo! This beer is off the hook too. Anyway, go see Kelvin's Kitchen if you don't like what I'm doing. Come back next week. We may not cook anything good, but I bet we never have a beer as good as this one. This one is awesome. It's Lawson's Finest Liquids Sip of Sunshine IPA. That stuff rocks. Look, it really looks like sunshine too, doesn't it? Okay, babies, that's my video. See you next week. Bye.